As a wildlife photographer that came from Israel, I never know anything about Oriental rug cleaning or carpet cleaner. We don't have a business like this in 1989 in Israel. So I came to America and I realized that I cannot make money. I cannot make a living as a photographer. So I have to take another course. And I start working with a yellow truck, with a black truck, and I become as a carpet cleaner. I realize that's no one of them having answer for urine odor removal. Even today, if you calling to the black truck or the yellow truck and ask them, do you guarantee in writing the removal of urine odor from my Oriental rug? They will tell you, we do the best, but we cannot guarantee it in writing. And here I am, 2020, with a company by the name PetPeePee, because the only service that I provide nationwide, worldwide, urine odor removal from the finest Oriental rug, the high quality Oriental rug that is one of a kind, and I build the PetPeePee machine and using the natural, organic, odor-free cleaning product from the Dead Sea. This cleaning product guarantee the removal of the urine odor. And because I'm washing your Oriental rug through the rug, I also guarantee in writing, color will never run. This is the tube that shows me what's coming from your rug in real time. So when your Oriental rug, it's clean, it means the tube, it's clear. Thank you for watching PetPeePee. Would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? Call today.